Welcome back to the Belly Up Bar. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Saw an interesting recipe for a scorpion bowl. Here's my bowl. Look pretty good, so I'm gonna give it a try. I've made a scorpion before a couple years ago, but this one's a bowl, so let's start it. Calls for one Jamaican rum. I'm gonna use Smith & Cross. 114 proof. Good rum. And 1/2 cognac. I'm going to use Pierre Ferrand 1840. This is 90 proof. French. 1/2. This one comes in at 23%, so that's my sweet spot. I like about 23, 24. And 1/2 overproof gin. I'm going to use Bombay Sapphire. It's almost like a fog cutter, but anyway, give it a shot. 3/4 lemon juice. Fresh lemon juice. And 1 orange juice. This is these Cara Cara oranges. They're about $1.19 a pound, but they've got a great flavor. Highly recommend them. 1 orange juice. And 3/4 Giffard orgeat. 3/4. This has a good shelf life. A little bit bright on the flavoring, but I like it okay. All right, I've got a few cubes of ice in here. I'll put this. Very nice aroma. Give this a try. Oh, very nice. I like them all basically, but I won't make a drink I don't like. This one's really nice. Got a good mix of flavor. I think you'll like it. Put a little orange in there. Garnish. And if you're in the mood to subscribe, there's a brown icon right there. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.